Welcome back to another Rotobec video. This grapple is designed to handle a lot of stems of wood very quickly. You can see here there's a machine on each side of this set out truck, and they're double teaming this truck and just tracking down through there, picking up each of these bundles just as fast as they can get them and get them loaded on it where they can carry them out and offload it again. If you're handling pulp type like this right here, that's the cool thing about Rotobec is they build a wood handling grapple to handle any kind of capacity that you just about need to, in any size type stuff that you need to, whether it's for a mini excavator or it's a big excavator or just a big log loader sitting on the yard stationary or out in the woods doing like what I do. We happen to have two Rotobec grapples that have served us very well for a long time. And you can see right here in this clip right here just how large that grapple is right there and how much volume he's picking up with that thing each time he goes to pile or he's coming off the truck with it. Just watch him bite through it right here. So very fast, very efficient. The longevity of them is very good, very well built. Their slogan is tough handling equipment, and it is truly that. So appreciate you watching. I am Cotontop3. If you would come over to my channel and check me out. So as I always say at the end of my videos, later taters.